Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the ideaBRICKworks YouTube channel. I'm Sam, I'm the English friend of Scott Bowman, and today we're doing a build for the LEGO Technic Fast and Furious Dom's Dodge Charger, number 42111 if you want to buy it yourself. Now I've already built it once, so that's why everything is laid out in a random fashion, I'll call it. So what we're going to do is we're going to build it through it. It's got some really interesting bits, so hopefully I'll pick one of the 3 cameras that are around here to show it to you, and we'll get through this. There'll be a quick time lapse hopefully, and yeah, we'll go through and see what happens. And when I first did this, really important this bit, on step 3 already, you've got to put 3 of these little cogs together in this assembly here. It's part of the drivetrain and everything like that. Now, it's really quite fiddly, and if you do it wrong, it will just fall out. But what there is on the inside, I don't know if you can see that, there's a little notch, there's little notches, and there's a little holder where you can put all your little cogs in, and they will hold in there enough that it will allow you to put your axles in to give it a bit of stability, like so. Now ain't going nowhere. Now these are my favourite bits, and if you were watching the previous episode of Brick Building Together Apart, you would have seen me comment on it quite a bit about the suspension. Now, it's a really simple thing. Let's make sure I do this bit right, because these bits got about that. There's some bricks in there. They don't need to be in there. Well, at least not yet anyway. So the suspension is just a couple of springs, as you would expect. But the way they've done it, when you've actually built the entire car up, is actually really, really cool. And you'll see that as you get further on into this build. So now we flip said car over, put the black bit of the suspension down here, the other end into here. Now you might have to push down on your spring and your suspension to make it go in, but when it does, you'll know. As you can see at the moment, the difference in the height from this side to that side, so that side's got the spring on, this side hasn't yet. But if we now put that spring in and push down on it, you will really need to push down on this one to get it locked in into the brick. There you go. Quite a high riding back end. I've had a wasp land in me. In a bit of Lego. Not sure if he's dead or... Yeah. Come on, little buddy. Here you go. Sorry about that. Wasn't expecting to be visited by a wasp today. that's it built, all done. The LEGO Technic 42111 Dom's Dodge Charger. Great little build. I say little, when you look at the video footage from this, will probably be around 3 hours, so yeah, maybe not. But yes, it was fun. Really do like the engine block inside these Technic builds. Really fascinating, especially with all the little details like adding this chain as well. It's really good, and I do like the pistons and the cams going up and down. It's very nice. Do like the steering on this as well, as you can see, using the little black knob that we lost, the little gear we lost once or twice. Got a nice steering on it as well, and when you look inside you can actually see it all moving. The kickstand, if I deploy the kickstand as well, there you go. Makes it look slightly angry. Another nice little feature to it, and you can just knock that away, so you've got a nice car. But overall, look at that suspension, nice. Push down on the front as well. It's a proper ride, like it did in the films. Especially, well, I don't think I'll be jumping over any train tracks with it though anytime soon, personally. Yeah, if you haven't got this build, or haven't got this yet, this set, I'd recommend it. It's a very good one. You don't have to be a fan of the movies to like it, although it might help if you know what you're building. But yeah, it's very nice. Obviously all the doors open, bonnet opens, or the hood, the trunk or the boot opens depending from which part of the world you're in. The book, it's very big, but it does have some nice pretty pictures at the end of the build itself, and then the various versions of the Dodge Charger used in the Fast and Furious films, so make sure you check all that out. But yeah, overall, really good build. Some interesting techniques in there as well, like putting stuff underneath, or putting bits in underneath things you've already built, or, you know, so you do have to be a little bit delicate in what you're doing and where you're putting stuff, but other than that, it's good fun. So, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe to ideaBRICKworks, and stay tuned because there's more videos to come. Hopefully more episodes of brick building together apart, and we'll see you again soon. See you, everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a like. To learn more about what ideaBRICKworks does, make sure and subscribe to this channel.